While you're working hard to lose weight, you still want to look beautiful. Now, you probably already got a bathroom full of expensive cosmetics to do the job. But today, I'm revealing the only 5 beauty products that you will ever really need. I've asked celebrity makeup artist Cindy Watson to join me. She's got over 15 years of experience and her own makeup line.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so 5 products. Is that truly a legitimate number for folks to focus on? And
Yeah, we're going to
why
look
that
at
number?
some. I say that number because it keeps everything compiled, and you can think right, and you don't waste a lot of money.
I like that idea.
Yeah, you don't want to waste a lot of money, and we have that. I know a lot of women have that big box of makeup. Yeah. It needs to go. We're going to show them what they need.
Perfect. First one, this is important, is SPF. We talk about SPF lotions all the time, but this SPF tinted moisturizer.
Yes, I love it. Tinted moisturizer, and it's very important when you look. You want a moisturizer because you want to hydrate the skin. And then a tinted moisturizer, you're getting 3 in 1. So SPF is really important. You want to hydrate the skin, you want to protect from the UVA and UVB rays. So you're getting a tinted moisturizer, and that's going to double as a foundation. So now you're protecting the skin, hydrating, and you can get coverage on the skin.
Perfect. Okay, second beauty product that you'll ever need is mascara.
Yes.
Why mascara?
Mascara, because, you know, you have eyeliner and eyeshadows, and all those are great, but us women, we know mascara is so important. We want those beautiful, youthful lashes. And to look young, you need your eyes to pop, and mascara does it. And I love this one from Tarte because it's lights, camera, lashes. And what's great about it is it conditions the lash, because as we get older, our lashes get a little bit brittle, and we really need to condition them and take care of them.
Well, I didn't know you had conditioner for lashes.
Absolutely.
Well, you do. The third beauty product that you gotta get is one that's for color, but this is not just for your cheeks, but for your lips as well.
Dual products are really important because then you can get rid of all that stuff that you have. So when we're talking about 5 products, this is really 2 in 1, which is awesome. You can put it on your lips, which I've done, and you can also use it on your cheeks. It's a great formula. It's a cream formula, Aqua Cream from Makeup Forever, and you can use it on lips and cheeks, and it glides on so nice. The colors are great, and you should think about colors that are pink or peach, because those are colors that you naturally see in the skin, so they're easy to wear.
All right, fourth item. It's a critical one,
It's
nail
so
polish.
critical, yes. So the first thing, you know, the first sign of aging you see in your hands.
Yeah.
And if you can't change that, you can make them pretty. And so that's what I did with the Butter London. And I love this color. It's come to bed red. It's really gorgeous. It kind of looks like candy apple. Now, if you really want to be hot for spring, you want to try the pistachio green, and this is called Bossy Boots.
Bossy boots?
Bossy Boots?
Can I check it out?
Yeah, absolutely.
I've never put nail polish on, so help me with this a little bit.
See? I'm a little nervous to do this on you. Okay.
You know, in
let's see.
surgery, you're not allowed to wear nail polish.
Oh, I'm not a good manicurist, but there you go.
What do you think of that color, guys?
It looks good.
I don't know.
But it's trendy, so if you just wore one nail color,
Yeah.
you'd be starting a trend.
Well, so maybe I'll just do that. We'll keep this on for the rest of the show.
Are you Bossy Boots?
I could be Bossy Boots now. I'll be Bossy Boots for the rest of the day. And the final beauty product that you will ever need
Yes.
is a finishing spray for your hair.
Yes.
I'm surprised that was the 5th one.
Well, you know, we have to, you know, look at what you have here. Your hair is definitely important. And what I love about this Bumble and Bumble Shine On. So it shines on and on and on and on, and I love it. I want you to try it, though, because what I've heard and what I know is that once you use it, you get compliments all the time.
Let's try it.
Okay, let me
But
spray
now-
out first. I think, doesn't it look good?
What do you guys think?
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
You guys like the hair?
Yeah. And who doesn't want compliments?
Absolutely wonderful information, and I'm particularly impressed at age 45. You look
am.
so spectacular. So
Thank you
congratulations.
so much.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.